What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Scale Router Collective. Now this is going to be a different video, so let's go ahead and get into it. You've seen the wild lines of Von Dutch, the monsters of Ed Roth, the tanks painted by Indian Larry. But what if you never picked up a striping brush until now? Well, this is Line Hustle, a new series where I learn the art of pinstriping from scratch. Lettering, scroll, classic stripes, all of it. No shortcuts, no BS, just the grind. And I'm bringing you guys along firsthand to witness every line, so hopefully you guys enjoy the ride. Why this series exists? Well, it ties into everything that we love on this channel. Custom culture, adds another creative outlet alongside of models and diecast. And if you're into this world or just want to follow the journey, this one is definitely for you. So I got something special to tell you guys, but before we get into that, go ahead, hit that like button, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And let's talk about the history I have with pinstriping. Now, I have never officially pinstriped before, but I have tried to paint characters on stuff in the past. So the first one I ever did was a Ed Roth style monster. Another one was that I did after that was Rat Fink on the side of a mini fridge. And then I did the hot rod monster, and then of course the classic flying eye. So pretty much the way I did these was I painted them with acrylic paint that I added a little bit of water to it to try to thin it out, and then I just put them on the little vintage toolbox in the mini fridge, and then I just sprayed clear enamel spray paint over it. So the exciting news I have for everybody is we have an unboxing from our paint sponsor. Now, for this Line Hustle series, we have partnered up with Ronan Paints. They were gracious enough. They sent us over some colors that we got to choose, and I haven't even cracked this box open. It just came today, so let's go ahead and open it together. I'm going to put you guys in the tripod up above the box, so you guys are going to get the first look as soon as I cut the tape. So let's go ahead and get into it. So like I said earlier, for this Line Hustle series, we partnered with Ronan Paints. So shout out to Ronan Paints for believing in the vision of this Line Hustle series. So let's go ahead and crack this open. So first things first is we have some peanuts, tons of peanuts. So I'm going to clear this off. I'm going to grab a box and start putting some of these peanuts in. Maybe I'll time lapse it. So let's go ahead and start clearing off these peanuts. First up, we have the Ronan Specialty Paints one-stroke lettering enamel H-100 enamel hardener. Then we have one-stroke lettering enamel F440 flow enhancer. Then we have a light green one-stroke lettering enamel. Then we have a white lettering enamel. Then we got a purple. Then we have black, golden yellow. Then we have aqua. pretty sure that's everything. Next up we have a Ronan Specialty Paints envelope. So let's go ahead and get into that. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this envelope. So looks like we got a color chart for their urethane. So they also have a new line of urethane paint out. So if you guys are advanced or if you guys want to try this, pretty much all the same colors. Then we have one stroke lettering enamel additives. So it talks about the additives. Then on the back is a complete crossover guide. So if you used to use this, and then it tells you all the colors. This is their colors, and it tells you this is what you want. So if you used to use lemon yellow, you'd get their medium yellow and so on. So definitely pretty cool. This is the one stroke letter enamel color chart. So it tells you all the product numbers with the colors. Then on the back here, you get to see all the colors. And then we have some stickers. So let's save those for last. Definitely really cool. I really like those. And this is their little always hand paint Ronan Specialty Paints. So it talks about their one stroke lettering enamel, which we have. The outdoor bulletin enamel. Water-based paints. So they have Aqua Coat, water-based acrylics. Aqua Leaf, water-based fake metallics. Then there's the urethane, superfine, Japan colors, Ron Glow fluorescent paints, primers and blockouts, protective clear coats, additives, and we already showed you that, so that's pretty much what that was. So here is the Ronan Paints color chart. Now this is gonna show us what the real colors are gonna look like. So here's that aqua. Really nice. And then our golden yellow is right here. Our light green is right there. Then we got the purple. The only colors that aren't on here is the black and the white. Hopefully this is coming out good. I know there's a little bit of a glare. So here we have the technical data sheet. This is talks about the description, recommended use, surface preparation, application, then just breaks down all the technical facts about how to thin, flow enhance, enamel hardeners, other products that they offer, the Jack's Cream, Alkalide, flattening paste, tinting, cleaning up dry times, and things like that. So shelf life, it's up to 2 years of shelf life, which is pretty good. And this has all been revised June 9th, 2022. So got current to date info. Let's go ahead and look at these stickers now. So we got the one stroke lettering enamel sticker. Very nice. A always hand paint. Ronan Paints and Ronan hand paint and a Ronan Specialty Paints sticker. So definitely really nice stickers. Definitely really like this one. Got the old school vibe, and I really like this one. I really like the pink on that yellow. Definitely nice. So that's the paint we're going to be using for the Line Hustle series. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the unboxing. If this series intrigues you, definitely hit that subscribe button. And be on the lookout for when more stuff drops. We're going to be lining as soon as we get brushes in. So be on the lookout. If you're new to the channel and this brought you in, hit that subscribe button and stick around for the ride. It should be fun, and you're going to see every mess up and you're going to see every success. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.